In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok camera not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application and then go ahead and scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now you can do this on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. If you are an Android or Samsung, go over to your app section in your settings and then go ahead and locate TikTok as well. And obviously on iPhone, just go ahead and locate TikTok. You can search it on the bottom as well if you just click the search apps area. Now, once you go ahead and find TikTok, go ahead and click on it. And if your camera's not working, you just want to go to the camera toggle. And if it's disabled, go ahead and switch it on. And if it's enabled, switch it off and then switch it on again. And then try and open up TikTok and your camera should be working just as it should now. The final thing I'd recommend doing just to fix anything else is going over to general, then going over to iPhone storage, and then going over and finding TikTok and offloading the app, which is also going to clear the cache as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.